Hello guys, alright. I finally got to Terminal 21 in ASOC in Bangkok and got my hands on some strawberry mochi, or Daifuku I think it's pronounced. I got them in the Tokyo Sweet Company, got them in my hand here. And yeah, they're pretty expensive for kind of what they are. Quite soft, quite chewy, they're quite Moorish. But that's the mochi right there. Yeah, it's pretty tasty. So you've got the strawberry in the middle that's nice and fresh and crunchy, and then the matcha around the outside which adds a bit of bitterness, and then the chewy mochi, amazing. Oh, blue. So after getting the strawberry Daifuku, or the mochi there, I went to another vendor and I found some warabi mochi, which is, it's like another type of mochi. I've got it here in the pot. A lot softer. It's like pieces of mochi, but really soft, delicate, and it's coated in like a sesame powder. And then he gave me a little sauce. I did get worried when he gave it to me. I thought it was soy sauce, and then I thought, is it savoury? But no, it's sweet, and this is like maple syrup, I guess. But the actual mochi itself's really soft, really kind of squidgy. Alright, and the flavour, it's like sweet sesame, it's amazing. I actually prefer that more than the strawberry mochi. But I'll try a bit with the sauce now. A big piece here, look. Just dip it in. And the sesame really picks the sauce up there. Yeah, that's really good. That's my favourite yet. Right, and that's in Terminal 21 in ASOC in Bangkok. And there's loads of kind of vendors and stuff, not just Japanese, you know, Taiwan, there's even English stuff there, Turkish, there's souks you can walk around. The terminals are all kind of, you know, different countries and so on, but I spent most of my time in the little Japanese of Tokyo bit. But it is quite pricey, but you know, cheaper than going to Japan, I guess. Lovely that.